videotaping that, just so you know. Because, you know, I'm always videotaping. So, you be good. And maybe we'll see you next summer or something like that, all right? All right, who that you hugging now? Jerry downstairs. In the blue jean outfit? Well, I guess I missed you then. I don't know where you are. Where you at? You stand next to my wife?
On day 2, we had a record broken by
Raise your hand up.
destroying the 3,000 meter race.
Oh, I see you. I got you.
8 seconds.
You want me to put you on YouTube with this?
Day 3 Monday.
Put you on YouTube?
Theo,
Excuse me, is that a pink shirt you got on?
and Charlie,
Okay, I see you. I see you.
12-year-old.
All right, I got you on video.
Javelin record.
It's all right. Bye-bye, girl. Be good. All right.
On Tuesday, day 4. 12-year-old boys, turbo javelin, 140 feet, 11 inches. Samuel Hankin.
I'm just looking at her hug and I'm videotaping all this.
10 feet, 9 inches. And a Catherine Griffith.